Do you want to create epic lip sync videos, but think you need animation skills to make it happen? Guess what, you don't? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to nail lip syncing videos that look pro level without any animation experience. Let's get started.
On your search bar, search for Adobe Animate Your Voice. This is free website from Adobe. Click on the first link and log in with Adobe or create a new one. You will be directed to this page. Now select your character from here. These characters are free to use. Now let's select background for our character. As you can see, we can freely adjust the position and size of our character. It's time to upload our voice. But wait, I don't want to record my voice. Well, in this case, head over to 11 Labs to use a voice. Simply input text and select the character to generate the voice. Download the generate voice and head over to Adobe. And upload the generated voice. Remember guys, you can also upload your own voice. Hit download and your lip sync character is ready. Similarly, let me show you how I created another character as well.